equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and instructions, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. *** tools required ***. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Torque screwdriver, T15. 4. Soft cloth for cleaning. 5. Replacement motor. Step 1. Preparation ***. Before you begin, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Lay it on a flat surface and gather your tools. It's also a good idea to have a soft cloth handy to clean any dust or debris you encounter. Step 2. Disassembling the vacuum ***. Start by removing the dustbin. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the top cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Step 3. Accessing the motor ***. Once the top cover is off, you'll see the motor assembly. Use the torque screwdriver to remove the screws holding the motor in place. Be careful not to lose any screws during this process. If you find this too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Step 4. Removing the old motor ***. Gently lift the motor out of its housing. You may need to disconnect a few wires. Take note of where each wire connects for reassembly. It's a good idea to clean the area around the motor with your soft cloth to ensure no dust interferes with the new motor's performance. Step 5. Installing the new motor ***. Take your new motor and carefully place it into the housing. Reconnect the wires as per your notes from the previous step. Ensure everything is secure and fits snugly. If you're unsure about the installation, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Step 6. Reassembling the vacuum ***. Once the new motor is in place, replace the screws using your torque screwdriver. Then, reattach the top cover with the Phillips screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling during use. Step 7. Final checks ***. Before plugging in your vacuum, double-check all connections and screws. It's crucial to ensure everything is secure. If you're feeling uncertain, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about whether to proceed with a professional service. Step 8. Testing the vacuum ***. Plug in your Dyson V10 and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it's functioning correctly. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember, no calls, no travel. Just reach out to us for assistance, and we'll take care of the rest. Enjoy your revitalized Dyson V10. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.